If you want to earn money online with affiliate marketing, but you're confused about how to actually run campaigns, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to run MaxBounty campaigns effectively, step by step, from choosing offers to getting real results. This is a real beginner-friendly workflow using free traffic and SEO, so make sure you watch till the end. First of all, what is MaxBounty? MaxBounty is a CPA affiliate marketing network. CPA means cost per action, which means you earn money when someone completes a specific action, like signing up, filling out a form, or installing an app. Once you log into MaxBounty, you'll see hundreds of active campaigns. These campaigns include email submits, app installs, finance offers, education offers, and subscription trials. Each campaign clearly shows the country, payout amount, allowed traffic sources, and rules. Choosing the right campaign is the most important step. Now let's create a tracking link. Click on any campaign you want to promote, then click Get Tracking Link. This link tracks your traffic and conversions so you know exactly what's working. Always use tracking links. Never promote raw URLs. Professional affiliates always follow campaign guidelines. Once everything looks good, simply copy your affiliate tracking link. This is the link we'll use inside our blog content. Now, let's create content to promote this campaign. First, I use ChatGPT to generate a high-quality blog article related to the offer. Next, I paste that content into QuillBot to rephrase it. This helps improve readability and uniqueness, which is important for SEO. Make sure your content is informational and helpful, not spammy. Now comes the most important part, SEO. I use RankMath SEO plugin to optimize the blog post. Here's what I do. Add a primary keyword, optimize title and meta description, use internal links, add proper headings. Improve readability score. SEO helps your blog rank on Google and bring free organic traffic to your MaxBounty offer. Once everything is optimized, I publish the blog. Now the content is live and ready to attract traffic. After publishing, we wait and track results inside MaxBounty dashboard. Here you can see clicks, conversions, and earnings. At first, results may be slow, but with consistency and SEO, performance improves over time. Affiliate marketing is a long-term game, not overnight success. So that's exactly how to run MaxBounty campaigns effectively using content and SEO. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share for more tech, finance, and affiliate marketing tutorials. Comment below if you want a live campaign case study or free traffic strategies.